Okay, guys. Sorry. Oh god, somebody just... Wait, are you allowed your face on camera? I thought you said you weren't.
Yeah,
okay.
Hey guys,
what's up? We're exploring this place.
James,
pretty cool.
James, this is James.
That's fun. Just come down this little dip here, and be careful. All the littering. All these cool things. Maybe if you didn't film everything. What the hell is this? Railway station. We're at an abandoned railway station. This is so cool. Look, there's that thing there. I don't know what that does. Yep, shut up. I knew that. The lovely sun. I'm sorry. That's nice.
I need to empty my shoe.
Well, I wonder how far that goes. Can I zoom in? I don't know. Looks like there's a house up there. I wonder if that's abandoned. Yeah. Alright, we just found out Connor he was filming, but he didn't get his face in the camera, so. I'm sorry, I can't like keep on switching like this because, you know, it's difficult. But, look at this. Look at this.
So that's like vertical. It looks flat for you guys, but.
Yeah.
Can we go down there? It looks like there's a house.
Alright guys, we're just heading up this. Oh, there's sticky in your leggy stuff. Alright, so we're just heading up there to get that house. I don't know if you can see it. I can't see it because the sun's in my eyes. Yeah. But you know, I need to stop filming this because more blooming sticky in your leggy stuff.
Okay, I'm gonna have to do a part 2 or 3 maybe.
Oh look, there's little rocks. Isn't that what they did to do stuff? I don't know. But look at this, guys. Look at one.
Alright,
so there's 1, 2, 3, 4 different railway things.
I'm gonna do it now.
What are you doing? Jeez, weirdo.
Alright, okay, I had to do part 2 because YouTube we can only do like 5 minutes at a time.
No, it's not. Oh look, you can actually, the things are actually coming out now.
Oh my god. I hope this is still abandoned.
Come on, you can do it. Okay.
Let's carry on, come on.
Alright, let's go!
Audi's there.
Aldi? Where's Aldi? Oh yeah, there's an Aldi thing right there. Not really, probably not very abandoned, but... Oh. Right. This is radical, dude. Let's move over to some of these.
Oh, we have literally... I went through this.
Whoa, what's this? There's like that one, I swear that one looks newer than the rest. Ow!
Come on.
Get out of my trousers. Get out of my trousers. Sticky in your leg stuff. Right.
Yeah, if you didn't realise, that's Jamie's YouTube.
Oh yeah, that's it's just Connor. Yeah.
Just plain Connor.
That's it. No, his YouTube name is JustPlainConnor.
Yeah. And check him out, James2222. Link in the description. All the videos I do on there. Because you know,
I believe him.
5 minutes at a time on each video.
So I get that actually look not very far. That actually looks pretty abandoned. What? Why are there so many spoons? This is the third spork I've seen along this rail track. So guys, I really hope this is going to be abandoned.
Yeah.
You've been here before. How far did you go in?
Oh, I've only been up to like back there.
Okay.
I went up to back there.
Why?
I don't know. I actually don't know what about.
What are you talking about? That's called wood.
Glass.
Oh, that. So guys, I'll get back to you when we get somewhere else.
I'm gonna get closer and just like, and just literally, yeah, we're gonna get closer. And then once we get closer, we're gonna video. And then, yeah, so once we get closer, I'll be back.
So guys, I just found this weird thing. Probably nothing, but you know, why not? Alright guys, we've come all the way from here. We're right next to that building. And we're gonna head over to this other bit here.
So we're gonna go straight on.
But there are lights that are on over there.
Yeah, come on.
If you can see them.
Yeah, they're on. And
Right,
I
so
think we have just found.
there are cars over there.
I don't think we're allowed here. Surely.
Huh? Don't know what that is.
That doesn't sound so good. Yeah.
What? Yeah. Wait, what about that building up there?
Are you going to try and get in?
Yeah, let's try. Okay, guys. Oh god, somebody just... Oh god, guys, did you hear that, guys? Jeez. Guys, did you hear that? Somebody was just shouting at us. Oh my god, guys. Jesus. Well, guys, that was pretty stupid of them because they didn't block anything off, so we didn't know if it was good or bad. And somebody just shouted, "Out!" at us for some reason. Yeah, we didn't know that we weren't meant to go there. Like, jeez, Weezy.
I get that it's safety, and just in case a train came, but
they should block it off.
They should block it off because this bit's abandoned.
I know.
It's fully abandoned. What kind of train would go down that? And what kind of train could go over this lump of stone?
Basically every single train.
Okay guys, this was our exploring abandoned... following us.
Oh.
Go. Oh shit.
Oh my god, guys, can you see him? Can you see him? I'm not looking backwards, I'm pointing up. Guys, can you... I'm trying to get him. Oh god. So, thank you guys so much for watching. I don't know if this is a good angle. So, thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked it, be sure to leave a like. I'm holding both cameras. And we'll see you guys in this video. Bye. Don't leave. This was scary.